Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. How are you doing today? I hope that everyone is keeping fantastic and I am also well by the grace of Almighty God. Today is Friday, so that's why happy Friday to all of you. My last week it was full of busyness, so that's why today I have get some free time to take a long break. So that's why. But so now I'm actually walking on our area's road actually going to play cricket. As you know that I'm passionate about cricket, so that's why it's the morning time. No people at the street. It's full empty right now, but I think it will be crowded after 10 a.m. or something like that. Okay, so right now it's windy. Just look at this. And my behind there is a temple. It's a Hindu temple. Okay, so yeah, it's feel good. You can say it's a kind of morning walk. Now I'm going to playground for play cricket. I'm walking besides the road. Okay, if I try to show you, as you can see, it's a site of a pond. There is a big pond in my right, and in this place there is the baja. There is a small market will be going after maybe 10 a.m. A lot of people come and you know buy their vegetable from this market. So it's a very famous market in our area. My mother also come here and buy our daily vegetables or the fish, or you can say the groceries that we need for our daily I think daily food, or I can say this. Okay, so just look at this. I know people here, but okay, it's very important to make video if you want to improve your English. I think practice is must, so that's why whenever you get some time, you should practice your English. Like me, I'm practicing my English and making a video, so it's very important. Okay, so as today is Friday, so that's why we have our special lunch. My mother will be cook biryani at the lunch, and I'm extremely waiting for this because I'm forcing my parents last 3 or 4 days that I want to eat biryani. Why you don't cook? And today is at last my mother is going to cook biryani, so that's why I'm very excited. On Friday lunch is always special for our family because only Friday there are two members of our family stay at home. Okay, so here is my friend Siam. At last I find him, and now we are going to playground. Okay, he's taking a rickshaw right now. Okay, so if I okay, at last we got Siam. What's up?
Fine, fine.
Well, Siam is fine. I'm also fine. Everything is fine. Okay, so now we are going to playground for play cricket. I think cricket is very popular in our country, in Asia as well. You can say people are very much actually passionate about cricket in Asia, like Bangladesh, India, Nepal. For them, it's not a game. For them, it's a life. When our own teams play bad, then we will, like we will feel very sad on the team. We say, "What are they doing? They even don't know how to play." If we get some chance, then we will play better than them. But not really. They are professional. We are unprofessional. There's a difference between them, between those people and me, us. Okay, so as you can see, we are now on a rickshaw. Now we are going to play cricket. It's very much kind of feel good. It's windy as well. Okay, oh my god. Okay, so I don't want to make it more longer. Thanks for watching. All the best.